Everyone's talking about AI making people rich. But here's the truth. It's not about the latest tool or the perfect prompt. It's about thinking differently, radically differently. And over the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how that mindset shift can change your financial future. Right now, millions of people are using the same AI tools, following the same tutorials, and ending up with the same disappointing results. They're trapped in what I call the AI copycat trap, doing what everyone else does, and wondering why nothing changes. But there's a small group quietly building real wealth with AI. They're not following the crowd, they're thinking different. Let's break down the 5 mindset shifts that set them apart. First, they don't chase trends, they solve problems. While most people are obsessed with the hottest new AI tool, the wealthy ask, what problem can I solve better than anyone else? For example, instead of using ChatGPT to write generic content, one entrepreneur used it to create personalized meal plans for people with rare dietary needs. Same tool, totally different thinking. The result? A 6-figure business. The lesson: don't follow AI trends. Use AI to solve real, valuable problems. Second, rich thinkers build systems, not shortcuts. Most people want a magic prompt to make money overnight. But the wealthy? They build automated systems that work while they sleep. They use AI to automate customer service, content, and even lead generation. Not just as a one-off, but as a repeatable, scalable process. Wealth isn't built from hacks, it's built from systems. Third, they know it's not about replacing humans with AI. It's about combining the two. The magic happens when human creativity meets AI efficiency. AI handles the grunt work, so you can focus on strategy and relationships. The most successful people use AI to enhance their skills, not replace them. Fourth, they think long-term. While most people want results this week, the truly wealthy are building for the next 5 years. They ask, how can I use AI to build something valuable over time? This shift opens up bigger, more sustainable opportunities that most people never see. And fifth, they focus on creating value, not extracting it. While the masses look for loopholes or tricks, the wealthy look for ways to genuinely improve people's lives with AI. They ask, how can I use AI to deliver more value than my competitors? That's the foundation for wealth that actually lasts. Here's why this mindset matters. It compounds, solving real problems, building systems, thinking long-term. These things multiply your results over time. The people quietly getting rich with AI aren't the ones with the fanciest tools. They're the ones using the right mindset. Tools are just tools. Mindset is everything. So how do you start thinking different? First, stop asking, which AI tool should I use? And start asking, what problem am I uniquely positioned to solve? Second, design systems that can run without you. Third, use AI to enhance your human skills, not replace them. And finally, always focus on creating real value for real people. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI won't make you rich just because you use it. It will make you rich if you think differently about how to use it. The opportunity isn't in the technology. It's in your mindset. Most people will keep copying what's already out there and get average results, but you can choose a different path. The question isn't whether AI will create wealth. It already is. The real question is, will you think differently enough to capture it? Most won't. But if you're willing to solve real problems, build systems, and focus on value, AI becomes the most powerful wealth-building tool you've ever had. The choice is yours. You can keep thinking like everyone else and get the same results, or you can start thinking different and build wealth that actually lasts. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more honest systems to help you build lasting wealth without the hype.